All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about some more diagnostic channels you should be watching. All right, so this is going to be a short, quick video, but there's some channels that I think you should check out. You know, they don't have a lot of content yet, but they're great channels to check out. Great information. Definitely go check them out. First one we're gonna talk about is Cody's Auto Diagnostics. He sent me a sticker. No, I'm not doing this because he sent me a sticker. I'm doing it because he's putting out great content, and I really want to see him excel on YouTube. Channel number 2 is Voltage Drop Diagnostic. I don't have a sticker from him, but PJ's a great technician. He's putting out some great content. You know, still a little rough as far as the production, but great content, great information. Go check him out. Channel number 3, Joe's Auto Electric. Wicked smart guy. His live stream rants are entertaining to say the least, and it shows the poor quality of shops around him. Great channel. Go check him out. All right, next channel to check out is Tool Hut USA. Sam is a mobile auto diagnostic technician. You know, does mobile programming, and he'll take you along and show you the process of programming and, you know, field diagnostics. And he also sells tools, and I'm not going to hold that against him because he tests them. He uses them every day, and if he likes them, he sells them. Go check out Sam's channel. All right, 4th channel. Now, he doesn't do so much diagnostic work as repair videos, but his production quality is so good. Porche Tech. He works at a Porsche dealer. Porsche, you know, whatever. But he does really high quality videos. I'm really impressed by his production quality. So, not diagnostics, but really cool channel. Go check him out. Next channel to check out is Paulies Auto. And again, a new YouTuber. Check him out. You know, he's starting out, so his quality is going to be a little iffy, but the content's good. Go check him out. All right, the last channel is Sean Miller. He does diagnostic videos. Wicked smart guy. And, you know, good content. Now, I'll put a link to all these channels in the description, and go check them out. Give them some love. Click subscribe. Check out their content and help build their channels. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. And hit like button for my channel too.